Why BioPharma?
BioPharma refers to the manufacture and development of biopharmaceuticals. Biopharmaceuticals can broadly refer to any medicine or drug that is produced using biotechnology, which put simply means that enzymes or an organism, such as a plant, animal, microbe, yeast or mammalian cell, was used to create the medicine instead of simple step-by-step chemical reactions. More specifically, however, biopharmaceuticals refer to macromolecules, such as large proteins, hormones, and antibodies. Biopharmaceuticals can also refer to cellular components, such as blood, organs, or stem cells, which are used as a pharmaceutical. Biopharmaceuticals are important as biologically derived molecules and biological products keep you and your family well. Ensuring these medicines are safe and effective is not simple, and there are many challenges ahead. Some of the brightest people with different skill sets and areas of expertise will need to come together to tackle these challenges. The biopharma industry needs caring and bright people like you to tackle these challenges. Biopharmaceuticals are important as biologically derived molecules and biological products may well have played a part in bringing you into the world and keeping you alive. Oxytocin is a biologically derived molecule that may well have brought you into the world as it is used to induce childbirth. Penicillin and other antibiotics have saved countless lives, potentially your own or one of your family members. Many diabetics are kept alive by biologically derived insulin injections. Blood transfusions and organ transplants are both life-saving treatments that will improve as biotechnology develops. Additionally, macromolecules, such as monoclonal antibodies, are used to treat a range of illnesses such as cancer or autoimmune disease. There are a great number of biopharmaceutical products, and this number is growing year by year. Macromolecules must be manufactured biologically, as they are too complex to be made by step-by-step simple chemistry. Biological organisms, including your own cells, are sophisticated chemical machines that have the ability to make life-saving medications. Some examples of macromolecules are hormones such as insulin, oxytocin or growth hormones, vaccines and monoclonal antibodies. Additionally, cellular products such as blood and plasma, organ or tissue transplants, and stem cells can be classified as biopharmaceuticals. We need bright and caring people to get involved in tackling these challenges to culture stem cells safely for use in life-changing treatments, as well as developing the technology required to grow organs and tissue in the laboratory from a patient's own stem cells. Although not strictly biopharmaceuticals, classic small molecules that are possible to make in the laboratory using simple step-by-step chemistry can also be manufactured using biotechnology. Many antibiotics are biologically derived, as well as the chemical backbone of many pharmaceutical products, such as opiates used for pain relief. In many cases, biological organisms can be effective chemical factories, and as genetic engineering develops, our capability to use microbes, yeasts, or mammalian cell cultures to manufacture small molecules will expand. A field of biopharmaceuticals still in development is the use of viruses or vectors to modify genes in patients. This will lead to the ability to cure people of debilitating and life-limiting genetic diseases. Bright and caring people will be required to ensure this is done safely and responsibly. One of the reasons you should get involved in biopharmaceutical production is that it is a growing industry and is essentially the future of medicine. This means it will offer job security as we will continue to need these medicines and to develop new treatments. Additionally, knowledge in this area will become more valuable as the industry expands and there is a shortage of skills and expertise. Another reason to get involved is that biopharmaceutical production has many hurdles to overcome. The challenges that lie ahead are interesting and are on the forefront of modern engineering and science. There are significant opportunities for academic discovery. A more lucrative reason for getting involved is that production costs are still high as the industry is still developing. There are significant opportunities to develop new technology or optimize processes that could reduce production costs and make biopharmaceuticals more widely available. This makes the biopharmaceutical industry a fertile ground for entrepreneurs that have the courage to deliver these solutions.
So where can you find out more? By visiting the following websites or viewing the rest of this YouTube series.